Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right? The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Philips 3200 series with LatteGo. Both seem pretty popular.
Yeah, both are in the top renewed espresso machines. The Philips is ranking higher in the super-automatic category. It's at 85, while the De'Longhi is at 106. So that might indicate slightly better performance or features.
Interesting. The De'Longhi boasts 6 one-touch recipes with color icons and a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings. Sounds pretty customizable. What about the Philips?
The Philips highlights 5 coffee varieties, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool, and ceramic grinders, which they say last for 20,000 cups. Plus, it has something called the LatteGo system for milk frothing.
Okay, so the De'Longhi has more grind settings, but the Philips has ceramic grinders, which should be more durable. The De'Longhi has a traditional milk frother, and the Philips has this LatteGo system. Any idea how they compare?
The Philips description says the LatteGo uses cyclonic frothing for a really dense foam, so it might be aimed at a more consistent and perhaps professional-style froth. The De'Longhi's traditional frother is probably more hands-on, allowing for more control.
Gotcha. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning espresso machines.
Both claim easy cleaning. The De'Longhi has removable, dishwasher-safe parts. The Philips emphasizes a fully removable brew group that you can just rinse under the tap.
Okay, so both seem pretty convenient. What about size? I don't want something that takes up my entire counter.
The Philips is slightly bigger. It's about 17 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 15 inches high. The De'Longhi is 17.32 inches deep, 9.45 inches wide, and 14.17 inches high, so a negligible difference.
The Philips is listed at $599, and the De'Longhi is listed at $499.95. That's a $100 difference.
Yeah, and both are being sold by the same seller as renewed. Considering price and what you're looking for, the De'Longhi seems like a good value with all of its grind settings and one-touch recipes. However, the Philips seems to have a better rating for being a renewed product.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.